Hello everyone. Today is just going to be a quick video on how to insert a clamp into a fixture. Okay, so I have a fixture open, and what we want to do is we just want to add a clamp to like the back rail back here. So we'll go to our clamps options in the wizard page, and under the clamps we'll do an insert parasolid file. And then from here you probably have maybe a couple different options. The default one should take you to the installed clamps folder, which will have a list of clamps. So we have another video that'll go over how to download a clamp from a manufacturer and then set it up and be ready to install. So that'll be linked in the description. From here, it's just a matter of picking the clamp that you want to work with. So we'll just come here and pick one. You get an option to hide the fixture and boundaries if you want. And then from here, you're just going to follow the directions. So it's just asking us to select the base of the clamp. So zoom in, select the base that we're going to be fixturing to. And then from here in this dialog, we have options of moving the clamp around. When the clamp is properly set up, you'll have these 2 points here, which will be a pivot point and a vector point. This allows us to interactively reposition the clamp as it's attached to your mouse. So let's just move over here to where we want to put this. We can use our snap menus to select, say, the middle of this top rail. Press enter. And then you can do any adjustments that you would want to do the clamp here in the tower. If we want to move it, if you want to move it down a little bit, you can do that. You can rotate it around the tip of the clamp a little bit if you need to, maybe get it out of the way of something. Do understand that when a clamp is rotated, note that the fixture blades for the clamp generated, the tower, will be a little bit larger to accommodate the angle because the clamps do remain in the X and Y axis. So you will have to make sure of that. And then once that's done, you just hit OK. And then you have your clamp. If you need to adjust the clamp, you can just go back into the setting, click the adjust option, pick the base of the clamp, and then that allows you to open this back up, and then maybe you want to position the clamp back straight. Press OK. If you need to change the clamp tower settings, those are done here. You would just delete the fixture lines for the clamp, and then come in here and set the current settings that you want it to work with. So once those are set, maybe we only want to go 100% on the lines. And maybe we want a 3/8 pass overhang. So we can do that, and then insert new fixture lines, pick the base again, and then we get the new lines with it. Once that's all set, some clamps will have the holes put in, some will not. But we can, in the clamp video that'll be linked in the description, they go over how all that is. So from here, it's just a matter of building the fixture. So we'll rebuild the fixture quickly. All right, fixture's generated, and we can take a look at the clamp tower that's been generated in the back for us. So clamp here is mounted. If we turn off the clamp real quick, you can see that it's got the holes that were included with the clamp for bolting. And then the clamp tower is generated. It has its own tabbing. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support team, and we can set up an online meeting to review the process to answer any questions. Thank you, and have a good day.